Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Druse. I am going to make this video for you for all of the third graders. So the first thing you need to do is go to darnellcharter.org, and we've done this plenty of times in class, so you should know how to do this. You'll see that it says urgent. The school is closed until April 13th unless conditions call for an extension. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Clever, and then you're going to access Google Classroom. We created a third grade Google Classroom for everybody, and then we're going to be uploading weekly assignments for you. So the first thing you're going to do is click on Students and then click on Students Home. Once you get there, you'll see it says Clever Portal. Make sure that you know your student ID number. If you don't know your student ID number, you can message your teacher on Class Dojo and they will get that for you. So when you get to the Clever portal, you will see the little icons pop up where you can access everything. So I'm going to add Google Classroom, and when you get to Google Classroom, you will see your Google Classroom pop up. Now, what you're going to do is click the plus sign right here, join a class, enter the code, and what you'll see is the distance learning instruction week 1 pop up. When you navigate through this, you'll see that you have to complete assignments for each subject. So for reading, you'll have to watch this video, and then you have to write 5 sentences, and you can begin typing here. For ELD, you have to watch this video, complete the IXL Language Arts Skills, complete the lessons on MobyMax. For math, you're going to read the family letter, watch this video, complete IXL, do Quizlet. All of these are things that you should be familiar with. So you're just reading and doing everything that it says to do. So for here it says answer question 1 here. You're going to click and start typing the answer right here. So you're just going to go to each one, finish everything, and make sure each week you close your circle for iReady in math and in reading. Then once you're done with the entire assignment page, you will go to, it won't say share. I'm a teacher, so mine says share. Yours will say turn in, and then you'll click turn in, and then your teacher will get your assignment for the week on Google Classroom, and then we can upload week 2, week 3, like that. So this is going to be your at-home learning for now, and we miss you so much. We wish we could be in class with you, but this is what we came up with so far. So I hope that you're learning and you're having fun and you're staying safe.